What's up, guys? Another USB-C adapter video. This is the
beautiful, the marvelous, magnificent
barrel plug male to USB-C female. This is gonna eliminate your barrel plug cable and brick, whatever else you got. Done.
We're done with that.
Got my Apple brick here and my double-sided USB Type-C cable. As an example, this shipping scale can be powered with a brick and a cable that they send you, and it goes right in the back. Before you just click off the video and start ordering some stuff, pay attention because there's two things that you need to get correct here. The first thing is the size. This is a slightly smaller one. It's a little thinner, but there are like 6 different thicknesses. So you need to first get the diameter of the plug correct. The next thing you need to get correct is the voltage. Okay, so this is going to depend on the device itself. So this shipping scale calls for 5 volts. Therefore, this adapter, you can see it right there. It says 5 volts. That's also called the PD, okay, the power delivery. So this adapter is going to regulate the voltage and deliver 5 volts to whatever it's plugged into. You don't want to give it too much voltage or you might damage the device. And you don't want to give it too little voltage or the device will not power on. So what I'm going to do is, I did the research and I will link down below listings that have a variety pack of sizes, and they should have different voltages. And I can list singular listings that have different voltage options and size options too. So you need to look at those and then determine exactly what you need to get. There's like 6 different diameters, something like that. And then there's a few different voltage ratings. Like it starts at 5, I think, is the lowest. And then it goes like 10 volts, 15 volts, 19 volts, 20 volts. So you need to get those right. So you'll still see these around. You'll see these on laptops, different desktop computers, stuff like that. Those are usually like 20 volts. You'll see them on security cameras and like the shipping scale, stuff like that. There are plenty of devices floating around that take these. So it's worth picking some up, in my opinion. It's perfect size. Now I have a simple USB-C wired setup for my shipping scale. It does take batteries, and I use rechargeable batteries, and I'll link those down below too. But if I ever need to have a wire, I am good to go now. So no more redundant brick or redundant cable.
It's perfect.
Got no problems, no voltage problems, and it works perfectly. I will link all of the other USB-C adapters that I use down below. I highly recommend making the switch to using only USB-C in 2026 and beyond. My motto is always adapt to the device, and then you only need USB-C cables. And it makes life a whole lot simpler and easier and minimal. I hope that helps. Check out the links and they will point you in the right direction as far as what you need. Thanks for watching. Thank you.